Alrighty guys, I'm back. In this video I'm going to show you how to night latch a coyote trap. So what you're going to want to do, latch your coyote trap. I said do number 2. Take a file. You see right there. That's called the dog. You're going to take your file and just go. A couple good passes will do it. And then you're going to get this little, I don't know if you can see it or not, little notch in there. So, this will make your trap. This will make your trap pan level. So what you're going to do is set your trap. Let me set this real quick. Alright. You're going to want to set your trap. Normally, see how that trap pan's really high up. Take your jaw that's not alive. Hold on to it. Like this. And you're going to push down until you hear an audible click. There you go. Now, your trap is night latched. And your pan is level with your trap. Now you have less travel for your jaws to go, and then it's really sensitive. All you gotta do is take something and just go. There you go.